Most people start cleaning businesses the complete wrong way and end up just trapped in a job they hate. I know that because I'm one of them. But when you start a business the right way, you can build a $300,000 a year business just with 5 office contracts. That's it. No residential chaos, no weekend work, and no cleaning toilets yourself. In this video, I'm gonna show you the 3 biggest traps that destroy cleaning businesses before they even start, and exactly how to build yours the right way from day one. What's going on, everybody? Mike Mack here, founder of AutomatedCleaningBusiness.com, and I just wrote this micro book, it's over here, called The 10 Commandments of a High Ticket Cleaning Business. Now, comment wrong way, and I'll send it over to you. Get it while it's still free. All right, so here's the trap that destroys 90% of cleaning businesses in their first year. I want you to listen up. See, you start by cleaning houses. Makes sense, right? Everyone needs their house cleaned. Seems like an easy model. Lots of customers out there. But then you add Airbnbs because money looks good. Then someone tells you about move in, move out cleans, and you're like, why not? And then the post-construction jobs. And before you know it, you're doing everything. Different prices, different supplies, different schedules, complete chaos. You think you're being smart by not turning down work, but you're actually building a nightmare. And trust me, I know because I'm a former expert at building nightmare businesses. But here's what really happens. You become the person who cleans toilets and scrubs floors. That's now your identity. And then you can't take time off because everything depends on you. You can't raise prices because you're competing with everyone else who cleans everything. And you're not running a business. You're working a job that you've created for yourself. See, most people don't see this trap coming. I know I didn't. And they think that more action means more success. But in cleaning, more action usually means staying broke forever. The people making real money, well, they pick one type of client and they get really good at servicing them. Now, this mistake, it keeps smart people stuck at $3,000 a month with their business while others are surpassing $20,000, even $25,000 per month. See, the people who stay stuck, they try to grow by adding more residential clients. They think 50 houses is better than 10 houses. But here's the problem. Every house is different needs, different complaints, different payment schedules. See, you're managing 50 relationships instead of building a real business on real systems. See, doing things that way, I mean, it's like being a therapist, except instead of solving people's emotional problems, you're solving their dust bunny problems. But the pay is a lot worse. See, the people scaling fast with cleaning businesses, they've picked a different type of client. To start, office clients. These clients pay around $5,000 per month. They sign long-term contracts and they treat you like a professional vendor. Look, here's what I'm trying to tell you. Instead of chasing 50 homeowners just to make $5,000 a month, you need 5 office contracts, and that's $25,000 per month just from 5 relationships. And here's the crazy part. Most people think offices are harder to get. They're actually easier when you know what you're doing, because office managers want reliable service from professional companies. See, they have the budgets already. They make decisions based on trust and results and not just price. See, while everyone is out there fighting over residential clients left and right and CPAs are going through the moon, the office market is wide open for someone who knows how to approach it right. See, what you have to keep in mind is that just 5 yeses get you to $25,000 per month. And that math changes everything. Now, speaking from experience, there is a way to build this business where you never have to clean a single toilet, but 95% of people do it backwards. And that's because most people start cleaning themselves. They try to find workers later, then they try to build systems after that. By then, you're already stuck in the weeds. See, that's a bottleneck right there. And everything just depends on them showing up, meaning you in this case. So how do we fix that problem? We fix it by starting with automation in mind from day one, not day 120. So you build this business where you land the office contracts first. You hire people to clean them and you don't touch them up. You make 2 key hires after you have 2 or 3 offices. They're both part-time, someone to handle daytime operations, someone to handle nighttime operations. That covers almost everything. So your job is landing contracts and managing relationships, not cleaning toilets. I mean, unless you really love toilets, which would be kind of weird, but no judgment here. But in all seriousness, this isn't some advanced strategy. This is how every successful service business grows. And once I figured that out, my business actually scaled. So in short, the owner, you, focuses on growth, the team handles delivery. But most cleaning business owners, see, they never see themselves this way. They think they have to do the work to make the money. No one cleans better than me. Wrong. You make money by solving problems for the right clients, and the right clients will pay you well to solve their problems. Office managers don't care if you personally clean their building. They care that it gets cleaned properly and consistently. See, the low stress model always wins. 2 key hires, 5 office clients, systems that run without you. That's the way. Now here's how you skip all those mistakes and build it right from day one. You pick one target, office clients who pay $5,000 per month, nothing else. You build trust in your market with your marketing, you position your company as a professional option, and you get clients coming to you instead of you doing all the chasing. And from there, you hire people before you need to. You build systems from day one. You stay focused on what makes money. See, most people think that it sounds too simple. They want to complicate it. See, the goal here as you're starting, for the first 6 months, 5 office contracts, 2 key people, systems that work without you. See, that's not a cleaning business. That's a freedom business that happens to clean offices. So the opportunity is sitting right there. See, office managers, they're already frustrated in your city with their current cleaning providers. They want someone professional, someone reliable, someone who treats their business like it matters. That could be you, but only if you start the right way from day one. Look, if this path sounds all magical and you want to build your business this way, click the first link in the description, chat with my team, map out a blueprint, see if we can help you get there. But for everyone else, if you're just trying to hang out on YouTube University, I love that. And I love that for you. Watch this video right here because it's like a logical next step. I'll see you over there.